I just created this flyer using the free AI tools I'm about to show you. Skills, no stress, no paying anybody, so that you can create your own just like I did. So if this helps you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial, and please share to someone today. You might be saving someone's business. Thank you. So to do this, you head over to your Chrome browser and search for creative designs, creative flyer designs, creative flyer designs. You can put for, maybe you can refer it to your own business, or just creative flyer design. I like this Pinterest. Pinterest, their flyers are very creative. Really looks very creative. So maybe, for example, let's say creative flyer design for restaurant. Restaurant. Let's search. Okay, now we have this, right? But all these flyers, your informations are not there, or maybe your colors, or if you have branding, go to the images, you search for the one you like. Okay, let's say this flyer. Let's visit the page. You even see the ones for hotels for this thing, but now what we are looking at is um is um is for restaurant, right? Restaurant. Let's screenshot it, because most site does not accept download because it's paid. So you have to pay for the images before you can download them. So we do the screenshot, save it. So to recreate our flyer, we are going to go to Chat GPT. Yes, I know a lot of people might be thinking of, I know. So, but in this one, we're going to be using ChatGPT. So when you're on the dashboard, if you are not signed up yet, or you don't have the app, for those of you that don't have, please, you can find it on the Play Store, ChatGPT, and install it. In case you still want me to make a video on that, please let me know in the comment section below. So it will ask you to sign up with your Google Mail, and after signing up, you click on the plus sign, and we are going to upload that the picture, the flyer we just saved on our phone. So, but before then, I want to say something. Since we're talking about restaurant and I don't have a restaurant, I just asked ChatGPT to give me a restaurant name, and also to create the logo, which ChatGPT already did. So we click on the flyer and also click on the logo that ChatGPT gave. So we are going to paste our prompt. So we're going to paste our prompt for, you say create this kind of flyer for, you say create this kind of flyer for savory savory spoon, exactly like the uploaded flyer, using my uploaded image. The uploaded image here, if you want to use your own personal image, you want your personal image to be on the flyer, you can do that. But here I will just say using an African chef image. an African chef image as a person in the flyer. Don't forget to include Savory spoon logo. It should look professional. Then you click send and we wait. Let's wait for the result. It's creating. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. And at this point, we did not put the informations we're supposed to put the phone number, the website, and this thing, and the address. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to put a random contact information. ChatGPT. At this point, I'm going to be recording what I want ChatGPT to do. We have to put maybe do the finishing touches because we do not put our contact address. It's creating. Let's wait for our results. So if you have watched to this point and this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please like and comment and share it to someone because you might be helping a business today. I am loving what I'm seeing. I am loving. Oh my goodness. .com. Can you see that? Can you phantom this? Can you see that? What are you waiting for? I say in this channel, I'm bringing you the real deal. No flop. No flop at all. The real deal. So what are you waiting for? I beg, hit that subscribe button because more will be coming on this channel. No need of stressing, no payment, nothing, no stress, not paying anybody. You're going to be doing this. So, but better still, if you're busy and you still want me to do this for you, or please you can reach out to me. And also, in case you want me to make a video in anything, if in case you want me to make a video of something that you need a solution on, please drop a comment and your request. I will look into it and create a video for you. In as much as it's AI, growing your business, ending online, and also branding. I got you covered. Just drop your comment and I will make that video for you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.